Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I wanted to share a video with you on how I make these teeny tiny crepe paper rosettes, and they're super tiny. It's only inch and a half big. So I just embellished some of these with my tool that has the glitter, and this one is the black with the multicolor glitter, so that I just put one layer of it on the top, just above it. So similar to what all the other ladies are making, but they're just smaller, that's all. And I am just going to use probably maybe 18 inches, yeah, or a little more, yeah, about 18 inches, and doubled over. Okay, so here I got my crepe paper, actually, you know, the party streamers, and I'm just gonna fold it over on itself and then cut it lengthwise in half. And then I'm gonna open this up one time, and then I'm just gonna cut one and two. All right, so these first four, okay, we're just gonna take two of the strips, and then I'm going to pinch a corner. It's the open edge. So there's two strips now. Pinch the corner, and then I'm going to hold it with my thumb and my pointer finger and fold it over the first, just right over my thumbnail. It's just a small pleat. That's all I'm doing. And I'm going to go around just making an arch while I go. So I'm not stacking it on itself. So I'm fanning it out basically, and turn while I go, and just holding on to the center, and pleat and pleat. Of course, now I'm recording and it's fidgeting. All right, you just fold it over, and this goes fast because it's so tiny. Just like that. And the more you do it, the more consistent you'll get with your pleat sizes. I was just working on this the other night, and it was hard until I started figuring out a way to do it. So without using needle and thread, and just simply folding it over itself and holding it in the center. And you see now it's overlapped, so I don't need the rest of that. So I'm going to hold in the center and then clip right off the excess. You see it's still there. I'm going to take my stapler, just a regular stapler, office stapler, and then staple, and it stays. Everything is secure. Okay, and then this will make us 4 little rosettes. So I'll just do that one more time with you. I'm going to hold the corner and fold right over my thumbnail. I'm pushing with my pointer finger, and pinching with my thumb. Fold over and pinch. And you can get as wide or as thin a pleat that you want. It's up to you. And I'm just going until I overlap the beginning. Okay? Just like that. As long as you keep holding on to the center, it's not going to go anywhere. So there we go. We're almost there. Oops. You know, just take your time. So it's supposed to be relaxing. It's almost overlapped as much as I want. There we go. And now you see it. Sometimes I'll just push it in so that it's lined up where I want it. I'm going to cut this extra off. And so if it's out of shape, the way the pleats are going, just push it in on itself. There you go. I messed up this pleat right here, but that's okay. Okay. And take the stapler and just make sure it's overlapped. There you go. There's 2 already, just like that. All right, and we can make 2 more. It's super easy, quick, and they're mini. And these 2 we're going to overlap with the gold and the black. And we're just going to go. I don't know, but I've been having problems uploading my videos. I uploaded my tag swap and I had to immediately take it down because the sound was not synced up. I don't know why, but I have to work on that because it's annoying. And if I'm annoyed, then you all are going to be annoyed by it and you won't want to watch it. So I had to take it down. And that's what I make sure. Once I upload a video, I go right back onto YouTube and I double check. I'll double check my sound because I've already uploaded a video on YouTube and it was a horrible, horrible sound. And I couldn't delete it because I didn't check on YouTube what it was like before I deleted my original. And I deleted the dang thing. So I was like, I can't delete it now. I can't delete my original until I know everything is correct. Okay, guys. So this yellow is pretty bright, but with the tool on top, it'll tone it down. Like you can see the black here. It's very toned down, and so is the purple right there. So that's what I've got. I'm going to make this last one and then we'll cover it up with the tool. Okay. And it's not perfect. It's not going to be perfect. The ones that I make. But once you start putting your embellishments on there, your ephemera, it's going to cover it up, most of it, you know. So just take your time, make them as big or as tall, as small as you want. And this will work with the big rosettes also. You just have to be patient. Patience, just like that. And I think I'm overlapped enough. So I'm going to cut that off again. Just to make sure my shape is as round as it can get. Okay. Now, what I do is I'll just take a piece of the tool that I already cut and place it right on top. And so my staple pen is going one direction. I'm going to do the opposite way to make like a little X. Just like that. I'm going to take my scissors and trim. Oops. And just cut away some of that tool and some of that yellow. That doesn't really fit. And now you can't even tell. Okay. Just like that. Isn't that cute? All right, so there we have it. I'm going to cover this one with the gold, a little bit of gold. And do the same thing. Just make the X. And cut this off. Okay. Go around and around. is it. Let me show you. Right, so these are all with the gold tool. I have gray, white, black, purple, and yellow. And they're not all exactly the same size. Like the purple looks a little smaller than the others. So I love it. Super cute. That's with the gold tool. Look at that. Okay. And then this is with the black. There we go. With the black, with the multicolored glitter. I love it. Okay, let me show you with the what they look like. Totally different effects. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you really quickly. It's not hard at all, and if you just take your time, go slowly, hold it in the center, you'll be good. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe and join our little family. And don't forget that we are still going on with the birthday challenge, and it ends on September 31st. So you have a lot of time to get it into me, because the winner will not be announced till October 3rd. And yeah, I'm just encouraging you all. I have a few entries in already. I just got to work on those videos, and I'm going to post them up. Like I said, I was having problems with my video uploads here for a little bit, but I'm going to get working on that and make sure we can get all our videos and on time. So thanks again, guys. Love you. Bye.